Hey there, love detectives. Welcome back to the Mind Detective channel. Today, we're cracking the code on a universal mystery, how to make her miss you like crazy. Whether you're in a long-distance relationship, fresh out of a fight, or just want to reignite the spark, this episode's packed with sneaky tricks that actually work. First, let's understand the power of absence. Sometimes, a little distance can make the heart grow fonder. Here's how to use that to your advantage. Tip number 1, the masterful disappearance. Don't become a ghost, but be a little less predictable. Take some time for your hobbies, focus on self-improvement, and let her see you've got a fulfilling life outside your relationship. Remember, it's about showing her you're a catch, not a desperate Klingon. Tip number 2, the strategic text, skip the constant check-ins. Send a thoughtful message about something interesting you experienced, or a funny meme to remind her of your unique connection. Keep it light, engaging, and something that sparks her interest. Tip number 3, the memory maker. Create unforgettable experiences together, even virtually. Plan a movie night under the stars, via video call, of course, or explore a new city through online tours. These shared experiences create lasting memories and make her long for your physical presence. The power of positivity. Nobody misses someone who brings them down. Let's focus on being the ray of sunshine in her life. Tip number 4, the cheerleader. Be her biggest supporter. Celebrate her wins and offer a kind word when she's facing challenges. Positivity is contagious, and it makes you an irresistible force in her life. Tip number 5, the gentleman's touch. Small acts of kindness go a long way. Whether it's offering to help with a chore, sending a care package if appropriate, or simply listening attentively, show her you care about making her life easier and more enjoyable. Tip number 6, the flirty farewell. End conversations on a high note. Leave her wanting more with a playful compliment or a teasing inside joke. It keeps the spark alive and makes her anticipate your next interaction. The art of mystery. A little mystery keeps things exciting and intriguing. Tip number 7, the enigmatic update. Don't overshare. Give her glimpses into your world, but leave enough unsaid to spark her curiosity. This creates an air of mystery that makes her want to know more about you. Tip number 8, the intriguing hobby. Pursue a new interest, something you haven't shared with her yet. It adds a layer of intrigue and creates conversation starters for the future. Plus, it shows her that you're a well-rounded individual. Tip number 9, the thoughtful note. Surprise her with a handwritten note left in her favorite book or tucked away somewhere special. A personal touch like this shows her that you've been thinking about her and that you put effort into making her feel special. Tip number 10, the digital detox. Sometimes taking a break from social media can create a sense of intrigue. It shows her that you have a life outside of your phone and that you value real-life connections. Bonus tip, be yourself. Remember, the most attractive quality is authenticity. Be genuine, be kind, and let your true self shine through. When she misses you, she'll miss the real you, not a fabricated version. Remember, detectives, it's about creating genuine connection, not manipulation. Use these tips strategically, and you'll make her miss you in all the right ways. Now go out there and make a case for your love. Like and subscribe for more Mind Detective love hacks. Leave a comment below. What are your best tips for making someone miss you? Check out our other videos on navigating the mysteries of love.